back!
Today is assembly day. I'm so excited. We're about to
performing.
start. She is performing.
We'll put a clip. We'll put a clip.
Yeah, I have to
We
have
better.
record.
Yes.
Now
I got my
going-
photographer record.
Oh yeah. 3 assemblies basically, and we get like what 3-minute breaks.
Yeah. Lip gloss and water break and
Yep, pretty much. My section is right in front of my grade section, so it's gonna be embarrassing, but it's okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
Oh, Chrissy. Guys, we are done with the second assembly. Honestly, I don't even know how my makeup's holding up. We won the spirit rally, so I have to go back right now. I'm tired. That was good. Oh, you guys won. Oh, yeah.
We won!
You guys are walking as cute.
Dude, that thing looks stupid.
No, it looks so good. That's my favorite part.
That was my favorite part. I was like, we're matching.
You guys are matching.
You got me for my birthday. Let's look through this. Nerds. Jose, don't steal them. He's been trying to snatch them. Zero sugar Reese's. You know, I'm a skinny queen.
Skinny.
We'll try. Eye mask.
Yep.
Are you saying I have dark circles?
No.
They're coming in. They're coming in. Red Bull. Sugar free. My favorite. Chicle. I needed this. Right. Slim Jims, our favorite. I had one yesterday. I posted it. This, you already know me. Fan, well needed. Yeah.
Yep.
A perfume because I stink. I'm just kidding. I love this perfume. I needed one. I actually ran out. Oh. And then a Kaylee.
Kaylee.
Sarah. So cute. It literally looks like you. And then mine's so dirty, bro. I knew.
No.
I'm just kidding. Cut that. No, I actually need one. If you snap me, yeah, when I have that on at night, it's probably the reason why I have acne. But yeah, guys, that's the haul. I love everything that Kaylee got for me. Oh no, Kaylee.
Love you.
It's your birthday.
No.
Yeah.
It's pouring?
Oh hell no.
If the game gets good.
It's lunch, but it's literally pouring.
And they told us not to bring our warm-ups and just to handle the cold.
Exactly. Oh my god. Guys, we're at lunch. I got a cheeseburger and Dorito Flamas.
And I got a salad with buffalo chicken.
Yari got nothing because he's on a diet.
If I pop this boy, don't be my ass.
I'm excused.
Yeah, like his son, basically.
I'm currently doing my YouTube video and I'm doing the thumbnail, but I'm trying to do it on my computer because there's literally no Wi-Fi whatsoever.
I don't know how this happened, but your charger got stuck in here and you don't know how to take it out. Oh, it's like stuck in the wheel. I don't know what to do. You guys are...
Wait.
I don't know what to do.
I don't think we're doing anything.
You guys, finally. Hopefully our charger's not broken.
It looks like a mess. Now leaving school. Bye. We're now leaving school and we're gonna go to a competition meeting. So done. I want to go home. In this meeting, we were just getting all the information about upcoming competitions.
3 hours later.
Guys, it is time for the game. I'm so excited.
I'm so scared because I don't know who's gonna be there.
He's not even gonna be there. As we move to the field, I forgot my water bottle.
Peep fine shit getting interviewed in the back. Right in the back. Saying
sing it for Kaylee, okay? I have to sing it too. Who that in the back? 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 Guys, jokes. Hey guys, we're gonna go wrap our wrists because my wrist hurts so bad. Is it your vlog? Yes. Oh, hey vlog. Okay, Amanda. Well, yeah. So I'm gonna put it and I'm gonna tighten it. You tell me if it's too tight or okay. I feel elegant. Hey! Is it too tight? A little? Just a little. Easier. You want it tight, and then when it's too tight, it's tight. Thank you. We're doing the eye black, camel eye black. That's so cute. Yes. Sarah's turn. It is stretchy fine.
I'm lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros for the immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let out do me. I got hoes by the group trying to do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work.
We're gonna play games. Legs like this.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's something to know.
Know how proud we are and how impressed we are of you. Oh, this is just the beginning. Okay? We're very proud. If we do it, we have to. 1, 2, 3, 2, and out.
I got ice cream.
Can I get ice cream or like? Good job, guys.
Oh yeah, happy birthday, Frank.
Nice. Alright, hi guys. Bye guys. We won 40 to 18. 40 to 18. Hello guys. We're in second period. I got Starbucks. I got my matcha, and I got a bacon sausage wrap. It's for YouTube.
You're so YouTube famous?
You want to see? Cancel him right now. Lunch is over. We're going to our 4th period. I have advanced chemistry.
Maths.
He has math. What class do you have?
AP World History.
AP World History. What class do you have?
You remember the time? History.
History? You guys have it together?
No, we did, but I switched to AP. I had regular and I switched.
You think you're smart or what? We have. You should. Today we are going against West Point. I think we're gonna put belt to ass.
Oh yeah?
Thank you.
I need to teach you how to record. You record so ass.
My arm is like broken, bro. Like it's so weak. School is over. Now I have to go to big sister, little sister. Bro, why do you keep on hating? I'm excited. We are here.
Basically in cheer, sometimes there's big and little sisters. The big sisters are the varsity teams and the little sisters are all the lower levels. This all works in you guiding the lower levels, and it is such a cute like tradition, and I love it. All the bigs wrote a note to their littles in a balloon, and they had to pop it and figure out who their big was.
This is my little. I got Sarah. She got Sarah. I'm now on the way to Kane's for the grub. Are you excited?
What the chocolate shit?
You don't like chops. Come on now. I'm so excited.
Then you got combo, extra toast, no slaw, large Dr. Pepper. We're gonna stay there and get the refill.
Guys, no license, no cars, no for real, no nothing. We're waiting here on the way. I think I'm gonna order something small because last time, every time I go, I can't finish my meal. Like at all. Yeah, I'm ordering the kids meal. I'm gonna be healthy. So skinny. Right. Just some light. We arrived. I'm gonna order a kids a kids combo, I think. We have the whole entire cheer team here. But I fear it's like really tiny. Just finished eating. I feel so full, so bomb. It was blessed. I think most of the team went to Zoyo's. I've never heard of it, but I guess it's frozen yogurt, but I can't. Well, they're big, so. There's some sandwiches in my bowl. Right. We are back in Southern's room. Yes, Queen. Wait. Oh. Sorry. We're back in Southern's, and I just took off my base. I'm gonna redo it real quick. It's currently 5.
Oh goodness.
I redid my makeup, and now I'm just going to the restroom real quick before we leave. It's about to be 5:30, 5:28, and we're gonna leave at 5:30 if I'm sure. This is my first ever away game. I'm so excited. Guys, we made it to the bus, but I have an issue. My phone's literally at 15%. I'm stressed. We're going back to the bus.
Tenemos centro de la ciudad y uno de los lugares más bonitos.
I got a 100. Because I finished all my workout. We are in 3rd period.
We're in AP English, guys. I did not understand the lesson at all, so I don't want to do it at home because I can't do it. Y'all see that pump? Anyways, but yeah, I'm so tired. Kaylee's brushing her hair.
We're about to go to lunch.
My favorite period. My favorite period again. But text when I get back to my phone. I'm not gonna tweet because Kaylee told me not to.
Yeah, don't. We just left school and we came to Dutch. And we're gonna get Red Bulls for pregame because I have no energy. I'm so sore.
Here's my order, guys, if you guys want it. 2 medium Red Bull, coconut, watermelon, passion fruit.
I am back home. I got my Dutchies. I need to fix this horrible hair. Like, it's actually so bad. Okay, so my initial thought was curling it, but then I thought about it. I do not want to damage my hair. It's an away game. It's going to be empty. Nobody's going. And I'm going out tomorrow, so I want to curl it tomorrow. And if I do a slick back, that's just not going to work out. We're just going to do a normal slick back. No heat on my hair. Sorry, guys. Today's just not a baddie night, but it's okay. We gotta try.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man.
Slick back is done. I promise, guys. Today's not my day, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and do retouches on my makeup. I'm not gonna record because I'm gonna let my camera charge for a bit. We are on the way to the game. What's up, guys? Oh yeah, we did the basket. Tell me that's not cute. I'm so excited. I predict that we're gonna win. I predict we're gonna win.
I didn't get to do anything when I got home, guys.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense. about we a lot, boy, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now.
Currently 5:30 and we're practicing stunts. We're warming up the stunts. Guys, the sunset looks so beautiful. They're playing Drake like life is good. We're about to start in 27 minutes, I believe. It's time to take the basket. Our beautiful basket. We're taking the basket. Their playlist is looking good. We're running now, guys. I know. Don't fall. Correle, correle. The game. Oh my god, my slick back looks so bad. What the phenomenal job, Richard. Very good job.
I appreciate you people, understand?
You guys crushed it tonight. The person that we chose, the comedy that we chose, I've just another W4040. Now we are gonna go back on the bus and get
some sleep.
We gotta be out tomorrow. We outside. We're inside, outside.
Inside, outside. She already know it's gonna be lit in there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Talking about
Good job,
sleeping
Tollison.
over.
I'm so proud of you, boys.
Oh yeah, you guys are eating.
It's so much funner for us to cheer. Like I don't mind cheering. Well, I never mind, but like, you know.
Right.
Luck. Thank you to the. Thank you to.
I know.
Why not? Thank you to. Good job.
Oh hell no!
I think you
Take that out. Take that out.
And